Hello, Angela Shakti Sparks here, and this video is about when your nervous system is feeling on high alert and you really want to bring yourself out of that state and come back to a more regulated nervous system. So we're going to work with a practice that calms what we call triple warmer, which is an energy pathway in the body, an energy meridian that deals with fight or flight. And then triple warmer tends to take energy from the spleen meridian, your spleen energy pathway. So then we're gonna bring some energy into the spleen meridian. So you're gonna take one hand, bring it across to your temple on the other side. Take an inhale here, come up and over behind the ear, exhaling as you come down, top back of the shoulder. You're gonna come outside of the arm off the ring finger. I'm gonna take that 2 more times this side. Inhale. Exhale. Behind the ear, outside and down. And once more, inhale. And exhale. Take this to the other side. So again, nice inhale at the temple, up and over the ear as you exhale, outside of the arm, off that ring finger. Inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. Now you're gonna bring your hands to the inside of your big toe. You could do this standing, or if you're seated, that's fine too. You're gonna bring the hands down. We're gonna inhale on the way up, inside of the leg, so inside of the knee, inside of the hips, and then coming up outside of the chest, right to the armpit crease just in front of it, and down to what is the bra line for women. And give a tap there, relax the shoulders. 2 more times here. Bringing it down. Inhale, inside of the leg. Coming up, down and tap, relax those shoulders. And one more time, bring it to the center, inside, inhale it up. And exhale, tap. And then you're gonna take your right hand and bring it across underneath, wrapping it around. So again, that spot down from the armpit, holding underneath. The left arm is gonna come now and wrap around the outside of the right arm. So right hand under on the left hand on top, wrapping right. We're gonna take several breaths here, and what you wanna do here is extend the exhale longer than the inhale, which is also calming for the nervous system. It's also a nice addition to hum on the exhale, makes it even more potent because it helps calm the mind as well. And or sighing, you can also sigh. Maybe on the first one, drawing in and up with those shoulders. Exhale, relax it down, and that long, slow exhale. I'm taking this for 3 to 4 rounds of breath, longer if you need, until you feel that calmness really wash over you. So you're inhaling through the nose, letting that breath move into the belly on your inhale, and then exhaling. You can exhale with a sigh, with a hum. Exhale is longer than your inhale. Taking this for several rounds. You could even sit down or lie down and just continue to do this until you really feel that sense of calmness wash over you. And hope this helps you have a beautiful day.